Please, just cooperate. Mheshimiwa, I must sit here.
You must sit here?
Yes.
You don't spoil my jacket. I have to remove it.
I won't.
Mathaini mathainya roshine niguo maabitha kamiti ya kurumbuya urumwe na wiguano wa bururi NCIC maikirie ngono seneta wa kaunti ya Narok Ledama Ole Kina na gucoka kumukinya ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kilimani kuria tinda kihungwo mahuri kwa makiria wa mathaa matano. Kuringana na wakiri wa Ole Kina augite gwikio ngono na gutinda gwa seneta uyu akihungwo mahuri ceceni-ini ya borithi gutiuma na gitumi kiiganu undu uria kwihitite kuregana naguo igoti-ini mbere ya seneta uyu gucoka kurekererio mathaini ma hwaini umuthi.
The senator has been released on free bail and he shall be appearing in court on Tuesday. And then the charge sheets will come there, then we shall take our dramas from there.
Atongoria aria magwikinyitie kuma ruriri-ini rwa ukabi ni maugite ino ni bara ya kiuteti kuri seneta wao guku makiranira kurugama na Ole Kina hindi ya shira uyu.
If the senator himself says what he has said it not on his own behalf, but on behalf of the people who elected him. Yes. Okay? He's not talking to incite anybody against anybody else. We have lived with one another for long. All he's saying is that any exploitation should cease. Any marginalization should cease.
No onagukiri uguo, gavana wa Kericho Paul Chepukuni, marina gavana wa Naikuru Kinyanjui ni mamenereirie merio ya Ole Kina. Thutha wa seneta Ole Kina kurekererio, augite kunyitwo gwake ni bara yake uteti arahurwo ni ang'ethaniri yake, undu uria ehitite kwaga kwenyenyo. Girifu watira Kameme TV, reto rakone wa Jiro wa Foro.